Welcome back. Well, time to get out. And actually, I don't even know if I could get out this way. Yes, I can. I will do this, but before we do that, we got 111,000 liters of barley. So what I'm going to do is take it to our... There must have been an upgrade again, an update again, because my game is sort of not running as good as that. I don't know what Giants do, but every time they supposedly do some sort of update, the game just runs worse, doesn't run better. So, you know what, they do whatever updates they do, but I don't never ever see an improvement, to be honest. I see all the glitches that they say that they've improved. I've never experienced any of those glitches that they say that they improve, but I experienced this garbage where the game just doesn't run good for a while. So I don't know. I don't know what they do and what they don't do, but whatever they don't do, yeah, whatever they say they do, it doesn't seem to have that improvement that they talk about. Okay, so we'll set this up to do flour. I don't have enough feed for the chickens, so I don't need to stress out about that. So we'll go to our production, and barley flour will activate it. So there you are. We are going to be working on the canola field, so I'll park him over here. I haven't even looked at the milk. I haven't even looked at whatever the prices are for anything, to be honest. So I'm not very familiar with whatever's going on in the field of what I need to sell and what I don't need to sell. We could quickly have a look here. I love this mod where it shows you. So liquid fertilizer, we're not going to sell that, obviously. Whoa, I forgot my soybeans in July. What month are we in? We are in July. So why isn't my price? Now, obviously, we're not going to sell the water. So why isn't my price at its peak? So 3.2, and my price is going down. Kind of doesn't make sense, does it? Do we want to sell it or just leave it until next month? Okay, so might as well. Do I need to set up any spreading on my fields that I've already harvested? So the pH is not too bad. Oh, nitrogen is pretty bad. Where is my, not you? Okay, so we don't need you. We got wheat galore still. But we might save this. Whoa, we might not save this anyway, because it seems to be having a massive amount of problemos. This round baler, not going to bother with that, that's for sure. So let's get ourselves a tractor, and we'll probably save this guy. I really need to start looking at selling all of this. It's becoming a ridiculous fiasco over here. I haven't even looked at my animals, whether they need feed or they don't. Now they have the grass in their enclosures, so that's all right. But reverse. How much milk do we have? So we have a little bit of milk, nothing crazy, but we have a little bit of milk, so we'll get it, take it where it needs to go. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to. I don't even know what to do. I do need another tractor, and I wouldn't mind. Let's have a look. Put everything on my... I wouldn't mind this one, but yeah, this one's kind of... See, hang on, all the updates I can do for free. So I don't need to, or I can just deal with the updates. Okay, normal. Don't want to have doubles, that's fine. Window tint, we'll just go 25. Front beacons, yes. Weights. And this is fine. So it's 38,000. So we'll buy it. I don't even know how much the upgrade has cost me. I don't know what that is, but anyway. Let's go to 38. Oh, I'm not even going to bother with that. So we'll take this one, feed it back onto our production, and then we'll go and get that tractor and put it on the spreader ahead of our plow. So I do need to do something about this. It's becoming ridiculous. It really is. Well, that's interesting. That combine is able to stop over there. This combine is supposed to climb fences, and now that combine seems to reverse all the way there, ignoring bits of it, obviously because I told him not to work on headlands. What he's doing is just trying to sort of ignore headlands but start some ready. So hopefully someone will decide to go all the way off the map. And hopefully these combines decide not to bash into each other. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to do a little bit more of a time lapse with them, but not too long. I think it's enough harvesting for now, so I don't think you need to do more, see more harvesting than what's going on at the moment. So anyway, have a wonderful day wherever you are. God bless you and your family. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.